Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Myself, Seema Singh from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Hardoi. Once again, I am here to teach you about computer subject topic mouse. It's applicable for class 1. Children, before starting my video, I want to request to all of you, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it for the new notification, and if you like my video, please like and share it. Let's come to the topic. Our first topic is mouse. Mouse is an also important part of the computer system. Its main use is to point or select any item on the screen. So it is called a point and click device also. Children, as you know that mouse is a very important part of the computer, because without the help of this mouse we can't do anything in the computer, or we cannot enter any data with the help of this mouse in the computer. So mouse is a very important part of the computer. Next one is holding a mouse. Children, when you use the computer, that before using the computer you should know properly that how to hold a mouse properly. So in this section we will learn about the how to hold a mouse properly. First, place your palm on the mouse to hold it. The index finger should be kept on the left button and middle finger on the right button. As you see in this picture, your palm on the mouse to hold it. Place your palm always placed on the mouse to hold it, and your first finger means index finger should be kept on the left button and the middle finger should be kept on the right button. Clear? Next topic is types of mouse. In this picture there are 4 types of mouse. First one is heart mouse, second one is fish mouse, third one is optical mouse, and fourth one is wireless mouse. First one is heart mouse. This mouse shape is like that heart shape, so we can say that this is the heart mouse. Second one is fish mouse. This mouse shape is like a fish, so we can say that this is a fish mouse. And the next one is optical mouse. Optical mouse nowadays is very important of mouse that used with a modern computer. It has no ball inside it. It works on light and sensor technology. When you use this mouse, optical mouse, you will see a red light on line base of the optical mouse. This is the main function of this mouse, that you can easily recognize that is a optical mouse. Second one is wireless mouse. Wireless mouse is also latest trend in the market. It has no wire to connect to the computer. As the word you already written there, that wireless, it means that this mouse has no any wire to connect to the computer. It also works on a sensor technology. So we can say that you can sit away from the computer and operate it using the wireless mouse. This is the main benefit of this mouse, that you can use this mouse with the from the away of the away from the computer also. Next topic is parts of mouse. As you see in this picture, there are 3 or 4 main parts of the mouse. First one is button, second one is scroll, third one is tail or wire. Children, some mouse are having 2 buttons and some mouse are having 3 buttons. As you see in this picture, first mouse are having 2 buttons and second mouse are having first mouse is having 2 buttons and second mouse are having 3 buttons. And the third one is scroll mouse. It means in the mouse, when in the middle of the mouse you can see the red dark circle. This is called scroll wheel. This wheel we can use to page up and down, left and right on the computer screen. And the one thing you can see in this picture that the all three mouse has one wire. This wire has always connected to the CPU to work on the computer properly. Next topic is mouse action. The first, there are four main mouse actions: single click, double click, right click, and drag and drop. The first mouse action is single click. Single click means you can see in this picture that one time click is written. It means that this is a single click. Pressing the left mouse button once and releasing it is called single click. This mouse action used to open any icon on the computer. Next mouse action is double click. As you see in this picture, there are two times written click. It means this is a double click. Pressing the left mouse button twice at a short interval and then releasing it is called double click. Double click is also useful to help to open any item or icon on the computer. Next one is right click. Right clicks help us to view more options related to an item. When you select any item to open and you want to more information related to the item, you can click the right button to know the more view option related to that item. It is the helpful to know the more options related to the icon. So right click is help us to view more options related to an item. Next one is drag and drop. Drag and drop is also a main important mouse action, because this mouse action is very important to select any item and place it another, and put this item, icon or folder or any icon to place to another, to put another place. It's help us to click drag and drop mouse action. First, press the left button and keep it pressed while moving the mouse. This is called dragging. Releasing the mouse button after dragging is called dropping. It means when you want to select any item and you want to place it, want to put it another place, you can do the dropping mouse action. So press the left button and keep it pressed while moving the mouse. This is called dragging, and releasing the mouse button after dragging is called dropping. As you see in this picture, this item you can place you can put the another place by using the drag and drop mouse action. Next segment is your activities work. First question is in this activities work, write true or false. A computer mouse is same as the mouse we see in our home. It is true or false? Adrika, computer mouse is same as mouse you see in your home. No, na? Okay, it's wrong. First, I want to take press. Yes, it's wrong. Second one is optical mouse. Optical mouse has a ball inside. Optical mouse, as I told you in the video, that optical mouse has no any ball inside. So this one also is false. Third one is we can select an item by clicking on that item. It's true. Wireless mouse has a sensor connected to the computer. It's true. Now children, By doing these activities, you have learned about the mouse action and about the mouse uh, function, mouse about the mouse part, about the types of the mouse. By doing these activities, you all of you know about the mouse properly. Now, thanks for watching. Thank you.